So close. Why?
You come here like this, you think you can fix the world. You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And now, everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
And the home is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.
We broke into a